Hello and welcome to You, and You. I'm the Budget Boss, and today we are wrapping up our series, Mastering Marriage and Money. We've journeyed together through 6 enlightening parts, and now we are at the grand finale, part 7, titled A Financially Secure Tomorrow, Planning for Retirement. So we're going to explore 3 key tips to help you plan your financial future as a couple, touching on early retirement planning, diversifying retirement investments, and creating a comprehensive estate plan. So buckle up as we dive right into tip number 1. So our first tip is all about early planning for retirement. Let's keep it real here. Retirement might seem like a distant dream in the future, but the earlier you start planning, the better. Why? You might ask. It's all about that thing called compound interest. It is incredible. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, growing bigger and bigger and faster over time. So the sooner you start, the bigger your snowball of savings gets. But how do you start, you might ask? So set specific and achievable financial retirement goals together. Maybe you dream of a beach house or a world tour or just a peaceful, cozy life in a cozy little house. Whatever it is, define it, plan for it, and start saving for it. This early planning isn't just about securing a financial future. It's about shaping it, creating it. It's about transforming your dreams into achievable goals. So remember, the earlier you start planning for retirement, the better off you'll be. And if you're enjoying the information, please be sure to hit that bell, like, and subscribe to the channel. So moving on to tip number 2, diversifying your retirement investments. Now, diversification is key in managing risk within your retirement portfolio. So think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket, which we talked about before. By spreading your investments across various asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, you reduce the impact of any one investment that might perform a little bit poor, okay? So let's talk about where to invest. So consider different, retirement accounts and investment vehicles such as your 401ks, your IRAs, which are individual retirement accounts, or index funds. These platforms offer various benefits, including tax advantages that can significantly boost your retirement savings. But remember, diversification isn't a one-time event. It's an ongoing process. You need to periodically review and adjust your retirement investment strategies to ensure that they align with your changing goals and your risk tolerance, which means how much risk am I willing to take for this gain, okay? And there you have it. A diversified retirement portfolio can help secure your financial future. So we're moving on to our final tip. And our final tip for today is about creating a comprehensive estate plan. Now, this is a key step in securing your financial future together. Now, a well thought out estate plan includes creating a will, designating beneficiaries, and planning for the distribution of the assets. So this ensures that your hard-earned wealth is distributed according to your wishes. And another crucial part of an estate plan is life insurance. It's a game changer. It serves as that safety net, providing financial security for the surviving spouse and helping maintain the lifestyle you've worked for. And it's not just about preparing for the worst. It's about ensuring a secure future for your loved ones. So we need that life insurance. But remember, your estate plan isn't set in stone. As your life evolves, maybe you have children, which we talked about, or your financial situation changes, your estate plan should adapt to. So make it a habit to review and update your estate plan regularly. This helps to keep your financial goals on track. Remember, an estate plan is not a one-time thing. It needs to be updated as your life changes. All right, that wraps up our series on mastering money and marriage, or marriage and money. We've embarked on a journey learning the importance of early retirement planning, the power of diversified investments, and the crucial role of a comprehensive estate plan. I hope that this knowledge empowers you to confidently navigate your financial future with your partner. I hope you enjoyed this series. It was so much fun bringing it to you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that bell so you stay in the know when we put out another video. And please say it with me now. I'm a budget boss. I'm a budget boss. I see you later.